2024, a year of Google's AI dominance, a comprehensive overview. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm your host, Zebbody. In 2024, Google made quite a comeback, firmly establishing itself as #1 on the AI leaderboards across many generative AI domains. Even if you have been following all the Google releases this year, we can almost guarantee that you have missed at least a few startling developments. So let's see if you agree with us on why Google may be the current reigning king of AI in 2024. We'll do a comprehensive review of what Google accomplished in the past 12 months. And frankly, what you'll witness is how fast AI development is accelerating. So here's a list of the developments we'll be covering. Google's Veo 2 model, the AI video generation leader. Imagen 3, setting new standards in AI image generation. Language model superiority. Project Astra, the universal AI assistant. Extended reality and practical applications. Android XR and extended reality. Project Mariner. AI web navigation. The future of web interaction. Deep research and AI agents. Gaming integration and AI assistance. Notebook LM. Interactive learning. And finally, additional technological advances and Google's competitive edge. Let's begin with Google's leadership in AI video generation. First and foremost, it begins with Veo 2, Google's state-of-the-art video generation model capable of producing 4K high-quality, incredibly stunning, and accurate AI video. It surpasses every single other available AI video generation model, including Meta's MovieGen, Kling 1.5, Pika Labs, LTX Studio, Runway Gen 2, and OpenAI's Sora. Even Sora, the much-awaited and anticipated OpenAI video generation model, was left behind within days of Veo 2's release. Veo 2's physics understanding is exceptional, often producing video generations that are far more accurate than anything else we have seen on the market. Their ability to follow highly detailed prompts with specific camera controls, lighting styles, and artistic styles is absolutely outstanding. Even the videos they present as demonstrations of limitations are quite stunning. Many people on X, formerly called Twitter, are comparing Sora side by side with Veo 2, and time again, Veo 2 appears to win with the same prompts, consistently performing much better. Next is Google's AI image generation model, called Imagen 3. This model is setting new standards as well. Imagen 3 was a significant announcement from Google in 2024. It is their highest quality text-to-image model, capable of generating images with deep detail, richer lighting, and fewer distracting artifacts than all previous models. It excels at creating stunning images as evidenced by the imaginary creatures demonstrated, which are highly realistic. Imagen 3 can create lifelike portraits, macro photography with perfect detail, professional-looking field of view, and excellent illustrations. On the benchmarks, it outperforms all other image models, ranking overall higher than Midjourney and Stable Diffusion Flux, currently standing head and shoulders above the next best model. To reiterate, Google DeepMind just claimed the #1 position for both AI video generation and AI image generation. It's dominating the visual AI categories across the board, and 2025 hopefully will bring more advances in their technology. Google has also maintained its top-tier position in language models. In LLMs, Google is still in the top 3 in the latest ranking on the chatbot arena. You might also have noticed that Gemini Experimental 1206, now called Gemini 2.0, emerged as a new victor at the top, ranked almost 10 points higher than OpenAI's GPT 4.0, the latest release. The leaderboard is no longer dominated by OpenAI. In the past, the leaderboard was dominated by OpenAI, followed by Anthropic and their Claude 3 model. Now, it's Google's world. Gemini 2.0 has significantly improved performance on complex tasks such as coding, math, reasoning, and following prompt instructions. In the domain of AI assistants, Google launched a universal AI assistant under Project Astra. This is one of the most exciting projects released in 2024. With Project Astra, Google is on their way to build a personalized universal AI assistant for users. This assistant lets you talk to it, get real-time translation, transcriptions, get directions, and ask whatever questions you want. It will remember various things about you with long-term memory, refining its answers by remembering key details of past conversations. It will have capabilities for using other AI tools and be able to use tools like Google Search, Maps, Earth, Lens, etc. Here's an example of what is a preview of Project Astra. We'll do a query on Jules, which is an AI-powered coding agent that works in the background so you can focus on critical tasks. This is similar to what we've been seeing with Devin, following that approach, or perhaps similar to Cursor.ai. When asked, "Hey Google, take a look at my screen. Tell me what you know about jewels," it responds, "Certainly, I can tell you what I see on the screen." The screen displays a product named Jewels, described as an AI-powered code agent that works in the background to allow users to focus on critical tasks. The agent integrates with GitHub using Gemini models and can write code, break down complex coding tasks, understand code bases, run tests, and adapt based on feedback. Another area Google excelled in 2024 is in extended reality, or XR, with practical applications for furthering this futuristic concept. Here we are now talking about Google taking concrete steps towards realizing the future metaverse concept. While we don't have a functional metaverse as yet, Google is introducing functional interfaces where you will be able to see the world either through your phone or glasses as a preview to the future. Imagine this technology helping you cook dinner by reading recipes and allowing you to ask questions, such as whether you're cutting vegetables correctly, etc. It will be there as your one-on-one assistant, able to walk you through whatever you want, from putting up shelves to exercises, and can even do one-on-one tutoring. The list of all the capabilities is long, but with these AI models, we can do practically anything. Well, almost anything. Many users are now more and more convinced that the new Google's Pixel 9 smartphone with Gemini will have many of these new features specifically developed and introduced for this phone. We think the AI capabilities coming to Google Phone are much more powerful and useful than what will be happening on Apple's iPhone. Google's Android ecosystem will integrate the phones and eventually their goggles, headsets, and glasses. This is Android XR, extended reality, where you have VR, virtual reality, AR, augmented reality, and XR, extended reality. As you walk around wearing your glasses, you're able to ask questions, receive directions, and navigate around the city. It can perform real-time translation of both text and speech, provide visuals and tutorials to help you with various tasks, from home improvement projects to cooking to yoga, whatever you can think of. Built on the Android ecosystem, Android XR is going to be an open platform where developers from around the world can contribute. This is significant because we might see many people developing their own AI apps that will take advantage of Gemini 2.0 and Android XR Project Astra. They're going to utilize the power of all these technologies to create their own applications. Another masterstroke by Google in 2024 is Project Mariner, its AI web navigation agents collection. These are AI agents designed to use the web on your behalf. While this is a research prototype, it's able to browse the web and take various actions. For example, if you're searching for art pieces, it will browse websites for you, find items, and add them to your cart. Eventually, it will even complete the checkout process. It's capable of using your Chrome browser, moving the cursor on your screen, clicking buttons, and filling out forms, etc. This allows it to navigate websites much like a human would. Andrej Karpathy was one of the first people to introduce the concept that AI will become an operating system, and this promise is coming true. Instead of using your mouse and keyboard and clicking on things on a screen, you'll interact with an AI assistant that will perform all the tasks for you. Now let's visit the future of web interaction by Google. According to TechCrunch, Google is continuing to experiment with new ways for Gemini to read, summarize, and use websites. This is part of a fundamentally new user interface paradigm shift, moving users away from directly interacting with websites and instead interacting with a generative AI system that does it for you. The end goal will be your phone or glasses doing all the things you would normally do yourself using a keyboard and mouse or tapping on the phone. It will conduct research, find contact information for people you're trying to reach, etc. Soon, websites might become obsolete for direct user interaction while still providing all the functionality of the internet. One of Google's gems is its company DeepMind, that is actively building AI agents. DeepMind's deep research launched multiple AI agents, with Project Mariner being one of them. Another AI agent released by Deep Research aims to help users explore complex topics by creating multi-step research plans. This competes with OpenAI's o1, which can also do multi-step reasoning. This AI agent is rolling out in the Gemini 2.0 app in 2025. For a glimpse, here's how it works. You provide it with difficult multi-step questions or a research project you're trying to complete, and Deep Research AI agent creates the multi-step approach, action plan, and begins to address it. You approve the plan, and Deep Research takes a few minutes to answer the question, search the web, and generate a comprehensive report of its findings. As we enter 2025, We'll also see the Google AI Assistant helping users play video games and answering questions while they're playing. The Google AI system will observe what's happening on your screen, hear what you're saying, and run a search in the background to get the information you need, such as the best formation to take action on with or which character you should choose, all without interrupting gameplay. With this type of AI integration into gaming won't be the same anymore. Furthermore, Google DeepMind says it's working on an AI agent that will help navigate these video games, and they're collaborating with game developers like Supercell, the makers of Clash of Clans, to test Gemini's ability to interpret gaming worlds. While Google hasn't offered any release date for this prototype, they say this work will help them build AI agents that can navigate both physical and virtual worlds. Last but not least, Google upped the ante on interactive learning in 2024. Students love Notebook LM released by Google. You can upload various documents, videos, PDFs, and websites as part of a research project, then ask questions, get study guides, briefing documents, FAQs, and overviews. A while back, they added an audio podcast feature where two hosts talk back and forth and explain the topic you're trying to learn about. Recently, they've introduced an interactive mode beta. This allows users to interact with the hosts in real time and ask questions. It's similar to calling into a podcast or radio show. The system demonstrates impressive capabilities in handling various queries and maintaining natural conversation flow, even when dealing with attempts to test its boundaries. So there you have it. Google has done its more than fair share of work in 2024. How much of this is actually going to help the human race? We have yet to see. Open source projects and others have a lot of work cut out for them to catch up. This type of competition is good for the industry overall. 2025 is bound to be an extremely competitive year because the stakes are high in the AI race. In order for Google to maintain its competitive edge, constant research and development of additional technological advances is necessary, and Google is certainly at it. There are numerous other developments that weren't included in this video, such as their quantum chip, Willow, and all their research breakthroughs in multiverse mysteries. Google has certainly not lost their momentum, and in fact has gained back their lead to some extent. OpenAI is neck to neck to emerge and dominate the AI race, but it's now safe to say that Google is back, and they're back in a significant way. They have huge resources. Demis Hassabis, one of the greatest minds in AI, the knowledge base of the entire internet. VO2, which was likely so successful because it was trained on videos, and who has access to many videos. The financial resources, the brain power, their own hardware, the data to create some of the best AI products available. Even if they were somewhat slow to start, they're now moving full steam ahead, and 2025 may be their year to take the lead in the race to artificial general intelligence, AGI, as well. There are still rumors that OpenAI has something significant that will soon be unveiled, potentially putting them back in the #1 position, but let's see what 2025 brings. Thanks for watching. We hope you found the material informative and thought-provoking. If you like this, please subscribe to our channel so we can keep you informed on what else is happening in the AI world.